Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change a broken center console for a 2016 E350. Let's get to it. Hey everyone, this is Gilson Vergara with Do My Life. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel as well as give me a thumbs up on this DIY. Today we're going to be fixing the center console of my 2016 E350 facelift, and I noticed something wrong with the middle console. I believe that it's like the little hinge arms are broken, so it can't close up. I'll show you. This little section right here, let me take these business cards out. This whole section right here, this can close. However, the intersection does not come out. And I thought it was kind of wonky or a little bit weird when I first got it, but for some reason, I believe it's broken. I believe there's a, I don't know if you see this little tab here. There's one supposed to be here, but it's not here. So, I don't have time to drop this car off because I'm always working. I just told the guy, can you order the piece for me? I will install it. So this is a piece right here. And I don't know the part number. From Raleigh, as you can see. If that means anything to you, parts wise, please please comment down below. But this is the part right here. Let me see right there. There's definitely a part right here. This is where the wood goes. These two right here, and this, I don't know if you can see, the tab is right in there. You'll notice I'm gonna push it in. Try my best to hold this thing. This is where the wood would be, and this would go up. But if you see the mechanism, it goes under. It goes under this piece. So when this thing comes out, slides out, the little tabs hook onto this portion right here, and then they close just like that. So I'm going to install this. So this is going to be a quick one right here. I'm going to be using this plastic pry tool. I don't know if I'll be needing this, but I'll be trying to use this. This is all for my phone computer set kit, because there are some T-screws in there that need to be used, be taken out, and my little plier multi-tool thing. So you must take this off. This portion right here. Let me see if I can. You must take this portion off. There's a screw right, there's like a section for a screw right here. I don't know if you see it, but let me see if I can do it. So as you can see, in order to get to this whole entire unit right here, you would have to take this off, and I believe he did this there it is. Just poke it in, and it should come out. There's a section right there. He did say that, the video did say that everything seems as if it's going to break, but it's really not. I can kind of confer with that situation right now. I do gotta clean this up. I'm gonna detail this. I'm gonna try my best to take this stuff off. Okay, I'm gonna try to pry this off. And it says you're gonna pull forward from there. I really gotta. So these are connected by clips. I can see. I don't want to break nothing, but we'll see. I gotta clean this up too. I gotta detail this stuff, man. Ah, okay. Push it in for it to come out. You gotta push these in right here. Don't force it out. Okay. What I did was I pushed this in plastic in a little bit just to get it out. And what we're gonna do is take off this right here. It's very self-explanatory. We have to take these off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift up here, straight up. That was pretty scary. I didn't want to break it. Also, you pull out. So it's a matter of lifting up and then out, up then out. Well, I'm definitely gonna clean all this area right here. There's a second trim piece right there. There are, from what I see here, 4 screws here, 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 and here. These are T20. Obviously you can't really see that, but T20 screws. So these are effectively 4 screws. Will it pop out? Can it pop out from here? No, I think we do have to take the front section off. So now we're gonna take this portion off so we can take this off right here. So there's a piece of plastic here, just right there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try my best to pry it off. Okay, very simple. There it is, little plastic piece. This is like a quick pop-up right there, so I'm gonna put that to the side. There are some T screws right here. Let's see what they are. Okay, there we go. Now these are significantly bigger. These are the ones that came out of the console right here. This is the one that came out of, I don't know if you can see that right there, big difference. I'm gonna try to push it up and pull it out. Oh, let me pull this out first. I can leverage my hands in there. I'm gonna pull it out slowly. Now I guess because I'm only taking out this unit right here, you can pretty much, you don't need to take it off. I'm not gonna really take it off. I just need to maneuver it out. So I already took this bolts off, as you know. So this is me. I'm gonna pull it out. There it is. That is the unit. I don't know what it's latched onto. Oh, I pressed the there's gonna be an LED and the cigarette lighter. So what I took off is this is the new unit right up here and right down here. I don't know if you can see, right down there. Hey guys, sorry for the bad angle if it is, but this is basically the piece itself. So that's right there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up because I don't know why it's so nasty in here. I'm gonna clean this up inside here, but pretty much this is the unit right here that I'll be replacing. It was all messed up here. I took the wood off of this one already. Now it's just a matter of I gotta take off the wood of this one. So in order to take the wood off, I'll keep that in there for now. It's right there. It'll slip up and it comes out just like that. That's a piece of wood right there. I'm gonna go clean all these pieces because it's pretty nasty in here. I'm somewhat of a neat freak, so I'm gonna go inside real quick and I'm going to clean. I don't know if you can see right there. The insides there. This is pretty nasty. I found a toothpick in there for some reason. I don't know, but yeah, look at that. That's pretty nasty. I don't know if you can see that. So to clean this out, I got some alcohol, some map tissues, and then my wife's nail things. There's little nail things. So I'm just gonna I'm just going to clean it up a little bit to make it look clean, and then before I put everything back in, then I'll show you that. So what I'm gonna do is, as I said before, I'm gonna clean this portion here because I don't like it being dirty. So I will now install these two pieces on the new unit. So this is a unit that's fixed. So this is the mechanism that was broken. sliding out, sliding in. As you can see, in, out. So it's working now. So we're gonna reinstall this. We're gonna put it back in. Before we do that, we will put the wires back in. So I'm gonna carefully. Is there anything else inside this? Any live animals? I don't know. So let's. I'm gonna slip it back in there, back into place. Okay. We have to physically make sure. There it is. Perfect. Works fine. Locks up there. Push it in. Close. We'll see if this will pop back in here. That will lock back in place. We're in, we're locked. Oh boy. Oh boy. Not done. Thank God this is magnetic. Once again, let's check for movement. Good, lock. Let's push it in. Good. That's to lock it in place. If you just want it there, perfect. So let's put the rest of it back together. Let's put the moldings back in. So once again, this right here goes into little nub right here. So before I pop it in, I'm gonna pop it into there, and then locate the holes, and then I'm gonna just firmly put it in, back into place. We are good. Put back the command. Okay, I'm going to slip it in there. These levers go in first. I mean, not levers, but these little nubs. There we go. There we go, we're good to go. Let me see if everything's lined up. Perfect. Covers up really nice. Let's put back our unit here. Perfect. Goes back up. So all in all, I'm pretty much done. Pretty easy install. Very, very easy install. I didn't have to think too hard on that one. I'm gonna check that everything works right now. Everything is running properly and things like that, because you just never know. This doesn't have to be with Benzes, it happens with everything. Everything I've ever worked on, I made sure everything was going good. So, car starts up, the car didn't blow up. AC works perfectly. Control center, let's do it. Control center works perfectly, as you can see. Works perfectly fine. Go up and go down. Everything's working properly. So there you go, guys. That is how you install a new center console for a 2016 E350. If you like that install or DIY, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Anything else, I'll keep you posted on anything I do here. I might do some things to the car. You know, I'm like a mod head anyway, so you know, I'll do some stuff to the car. Within reason, tasteful mods.